In this video, I'm going to show you how to write a book with Claude using the Self Publishing AI Playbook plugin based on Chandler Bolt's book published. First thing you're going to do is go to this free public GitHub repository with all the skills and instructions to get started. You can read through what's inside of the plugin here. It contains skills based on frameworks that Chandler outlines inside of published. Go to code, download the zip file, and then back in Claude, you're going to go to your settings and customize personal plugins. Click add and then upload plugin. Once it's uploaded, you'll be able to see all the different skills that have been uploaded into your account. You can review each one of the skills. Got the 30-day writing challenge, book idea validators, book outline architects, book purpose finder skill, buzz building strategist, editor, hiring assistant, launch team builders, listing belief, dismantlers, mind map generators, published author navigators, review campaign managers, title creators, and last but not least, the setup skill. So to get started, when you've selected your personal plugin, customize the skill, run /Self Publishing AI Playbook setup to run the startup skill and begin to customize this skill to walk you through the entire publishing process based on the framework and methodologies broken down by Chandler in his book. I highly recommend that you get yourself a copy of the book published. As you're going through this, read it first or alongside where you're at in the process, and then follow the setup process and instructions and skills inside of this playbook to get your idea out of your head onto paper and published in the world.